If you want to learn how to make money fast by downloading an app on your phone, then stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money online with an app called Surveys on the Go. So if you go to the App Store and you search Surveys on the Go, I have it already downloaded. So what you can do is you can open up the app, and it's a free app, and you can go to Surveys, and then you can fill out the surveys and earn money. So far I've earned 50 cents. It's a new account, so if I want to take another survey, I can open this up. It's going to ask me questions about my household. So is English my primary language? Yes. I rent. And then I just start answering all these questions. And then once I submit the survey, it will say that I completed it. And then if I go to my Earn tab, now I have $1 because I just made 50 cents. So that survey took me about 30 seconds to a minute max. As you take more surveys, the app's going to collect more data that will help to qualify you for even more surveys so you can make money fast. You can turn on your notifications and you can make sure you're alerted for all new surveys that come your way, and you can start making money. I hope you start to use Surveys on the Go. It's a great app to make money online. I'll put a link in my description so you can download it. You're going to have a lot of survey apps in order to make it worth it to spend your time taking all these surveys and making little bits of money here and there. The best way to make money online is by starting your own online business. You can become an affiliate marketer, a digital consultant, or own an e-commerce store. These businesses have been proven to be scalable and help you make money online. If you want to learn how you can leave your boring 9-to-5 job and start making money online with your own online business, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. I'll put a link up here and down in the description where you can click there, go to my webpage, type in your email address, and then I'll direct you to the #1 training on the market that will help you leave your job and start your online business so you can start working for yourself and doing something you're passionate about. If you like this video, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for listening. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.